Hi you guys, so it's your girl B Boogie and I am back with another video. As you can see, I'm back at school. I'm trying to make a little school setup, working on it. But yeah, we're gonna get straight into this video, okay? Gotta keep it modest. Okay, so I recently purchased the Tarte Shape Tape. Yes, it was some money. I can't remember how much it was. And no, I'm just kidding. It was like $27. And I want to compare it to some of my favorite concealers of all time, the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm excited. Honestly, I've never used like high-end concealer before, so LA Girl is my go-to. Never used anything else, never had used anything else. I want to see how it compares, you know. Yeah, so we're gonna get right into it. So I'm gonna be comparing the shade Tan in Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm gonna be comparing it to the shade Fawn in the LA Girl Pro Conceal. So let's get right to it. All right, so I'm back. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I want to do some highlight like up under my eyebrows as well as my cheeks. So we're gonna have Tarte on my right side of my face and LA Girl on the other side. So here we go. And if you see something that keeps like floating, it's my mirror because I need to see. Ooh. And it was at this moment that I knew I had messed up. Yo, when I tell you, I saw this bright yellow concealer come out of this bottle, I was like, yep. I tried to talk my way through it, but in my mind I was like, girl, you done messed up, but you done already did it, so just gotta let it be. Just figure it out as you go. And yeah, I really thought I was trying to yeah, all these faces. I thought I was trying to do something, but yeah. Y'all will see how much I struggled throughout this. So that's cute. I think that's good. That smells so good. That smells really good. I like it. And then let's see if there's any product that I put it over my brows and gently line my brows. This may be too light for my brows, but this may be too light for your brows. This was too light for your whole face, sis. Why did I just stop here? When I saw this, I should have just turned the camera off. But I was like, I'm gonna keep pushing. Maybe when I blend it out, it won't look as bad. I just fell in love with like the shape of the applicator. The shape was cute. It was a really nice shape. It was like a doe foot little shape. But no, like this color is way too light. Way too light. And I knew this. And I sat here and tried to pull it down and make it into shadow base. Like, this just made it worse. This made me look like Casper, the friendly ghost, and his twin sister, because this was a hot mess. But I'm gonna let y'all keep watching. So this is Fawn by LA Girl. And I think Fawn is probably gonna be a little bit darker, but let's see. Oh yeah, Fawn is significantly darker. It's time to blend. And to blend it out, I'm gonna use a little flat top brush from Eco Tools. I got this brush in like a packet. It's like a brush set thing years ago. I don't even think they sell those little brush sets anymore. But let's go ahead and blend out the Tarte. Ooh, honey. Tan is so light on my skin. I might have to take tan back because tan is a little too light. Oh my god, I look like a Casper the ghost. Yeah, next time. Ooh. It's a very good, so it's a really good product, but this is obviously not my shade, so I gotta take this back. But I'm probably gonna keep it for like light skin clients or whatever. But yeah, it's not for me. That color, no. I'm gonna go get another color. Hopefully. Jesus. We're gonna blend out the other side. Let this be a lesson to all of you that spend hours in a makeup store and then make an impulse buy. Don't do that. Swatch everything and then buy it. I didn't even swatch this. Or I think I did, and I was like, this should be fine. No, swatch it on your face. Yeah. I low-key want to take it back and try another one because I really want this concealer, but good Lord, that's so white. I didn't think this would be that ashy. Like, I'm very shook that this is so ashy. But yeah, no ashy concealer in 2018. We're gonna leave that in 2017. So if you out here highlighting your face with things that are 6 shades too light, I'm judging you. In 2018 I am, because this is correct, this is not. Leave this in 2017. Ooh, yeah. So, hope y'all enjoyed my little concealer comparison fail. Hope this brings a light to your day. So, have a great day. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this little goofy video. So, thank y'all, and see you later.